STA-BIL 360 Marine Ethanol Treatment. This product is marketed specifically for boats and marine engines that use ethanol-blended fuel. On the surface, it sounds perfectly reasonable. Marine engines do face unique challenges, especially in humid environments where ethanol absorbs moisture quickly. But the issue is that many car owners pick this up thinking it will work just as well in their daily driver. The formula is built around phase separation prevention and storage stability, not active injector cleaning. It keeps fuel fresh for months in a stored engine, but it does almost nothing to scrub varnish deposits or clear restricted injectors. Using it in a car as a fuel injector cleaner is simply using the wrong product for the wrong job. You will not damage anything, but you will also not solve your problem. Lucas Oil Upper Cylinder Lubricant and Injector Cleaner. Lucas has been around for decades and has a loyal following, but this particular product generates a lot of debate among mechanics. It is thick, almost syrupy, and while that viscosity is great for older engines with worn cylinders that benefit from extra lubrication, it can be a problem in modern direct injection engines. The formula coats surfaces well, but it does not dissolve carbon deposits the way a solvent-based cleaner would. Some technicians have observed it actually leaving behind a residue in fuel systems that were already partially restricted. For high-mileage vehicles with older fuel system designs, it has its place. For modern engines, particularly those with high-pressure GDI systems, it is a mismatch.
Gumout All-in-One Complete Fuel System Cleaner. The name sounds comprehensive, and the marketing leans hard into the idea that one product handles everything. The reality is more complicated. Gumout's All-in-One is a mild cleaner, suitable for light maintenance if your fuel system is relatively healthy, but not strong enough to address any meaningful buildup. Independent testing has repeatedly shown that it performs near the bottom of its category when measured against actual deposit removal. The concentration of active cleaning agents, specifically PEA or polyetheramine, is too low to do the heavy lifting that dirty injectors need. People who use it expecting a noticeable change in performance or fuel economy often walk away disappointed.
Royal Purple Max Clean Fuel System Cleaner. Royal Purple makes genuinely excellent motor oil, and their brand reputation carries a lot of weight. That reputation, however, does not automatically transfer to every product in their lineup. Max Clean is positioned as a premium injector cleaner, and it does contain PEA, which is the right base ingredient. The problem is dosage and formulation depth. At the concentration levels in a standard bottle, the cleaning effect is modest. Several third-party evaluations have found that while it does provide some improvement, the price point is significantly higher than competitors that deliver the same or better results. You are largely paying for the brand name here, not for a formula that outperforms cheaper alternatives. Redline SI1 Complete Fuel System Cleaner. Redline is another brand with a strong reputation in the performance and racing community. SI1 does contain a high concentration of PEA and has been well regarded for years. So why is it on this list? The concern is not the formula itself, it is how the product is used. Redline recommends using SI1 every 3,000 miles, which at its price means you are spending considerably more over time than with comparable products. More importantly, some users report rough idling and temporary running issues immediately after use, especially in vehicles with oxygen sensors that react to the solvent content. For most everyday drivers, the cost-to-benefit ratio simply does not hold up against similarly effective products sold at a fraction of the price. Seafoam Motor Treatment. Seafoam has a near-cult following online, with thousands of forum posts and videos dedicated to the dramatic smoke it produces when added to intake manifolds. That theater makes people think something powerful is happening. And to be fair, Seafoam does clean. It is a petroleum-based solvent that can loosen light deposits and help stabilize fuel. The issue is that it contains no PEA, which is the ingredient that most effectively cleans modern fuel injectors. What it does well is clean intake valves, PCV systems, and throttle bodies when applied correctly. For fuel injectors specifically, the cleaning power falls short compared to dedicated injector cleaners. Its reputation has also led people to overuse it, which can wash oil off cylinder walls in high doses, creating more problems than it solves. Chevron Techron Concentrate Plus. This one surprises people, because Techron is genuinely one of the better regarded fuel system cleaners on the market, and Chevron itself has used a version of it in their branded gasoline for decades. The Concentrate Plus version, though, is stronger than what most passenger vehicles need. It is designed for use in heavily contaminated fuel systems, fleet vehicles, or situations where a standard treatment has already failed. When used regularly in a healthy fuel system as a maintenance product, the concentration is unnecessarily high and can be hard on rubber seals and O-rings over time. It is not that the product is bad, it is that many people reach for the strongest option, assuming more is better. And with this particular formulation, that logic can cause gradual wear. STP Super Concentrated Fuel Injector Cleaner. STP is one of the oldest names in automotive additives, and their fuel injector cleaner has been on store shelves for generations. The original STP fuel treatments were genuinely effective for the carburetor-based engines of their era. The super concentrated version struggles in the modern context. Testing has shown that the active cleaning ingredients are present in insufficient quantities relative to the filler content of the formula. The bottle is small, the price is low, and that combination makes it appealing off the shelf. But the cleaning effect on fuel injectors, particularly those with significant carbon buildup, is minimal. It is a product that has coasted on brand recognition, while the chemistry behind it has not kept pace with the demands of modern fuel systems.
Prestone Fuel System Cleaner. Prestone is a trusted name in coolant and antifreeze, and that trust has helped sell their fuel system products, even though the two categories have very little in common. Their fuel system cleaner is marketed broadly and positioned as a general maintenance product. The formula lacks the PEA concentration that defines an effective modern injector cleaner. It functions more as a fuel stabilizer and mild system conditioner than a true deposit remover. Mechanics who have run before and after flow tests on injectors treated with Prestone have found little measurable improvement. The product will not cause harm, but for anyone dealing with hesitation, rough idle, or reduced fuel economy caused by dirty injectors, it simply will not produce results.
Berryman B12 Chemtool Fuel System Cleaner. Berryman B12 has a strong reputation as a carburetor cleaner in spray form, and that legacy has led many people to assume the fuel system cleaner version is equally aggressive. The Chemtool fuel additive is indeed a powerful solvent, aggressively so. That is the actual concern. It is potent enough that it can loosen deposits quickly, but in doing so, it can send large particles of dislodged buildup through the fuel system at once, potentially clogging a fuel filter or overwhelming a partially worn fuel pump. It is also not safe for all fuel system materials, and using it repeatedly accelerates degradation of certain seals. Professionals sometimes use it as a one-time aggressive intervention, but as a regular cleaner, or for a fuel system that has not been recently inspected, the risks outweigh the benefits.
This video walks through 10 fuel injector cleaner products that drivers should think twice about before using. Each one is examined on its own terms, looking at what the formula actually does, where it falls short, and why it may not deliver the results most people are expecting. It covers products that are mismatched for modern engines, such as marine-grade treatments that were never designed for passenger vehicles. It looks at thick lubricant-based formulas that coat rather than clean, and mild maintenance products that are marketed far beyond their actual capability. Several well-known brand names appear on the list, including products from companies with strong reputations in other automotive categories, names that people trust, but whose fuel injector offerings do not live up to that trust. And it also addresses the issue of concentration, explaining why having the right active ingredient matters less if the dosage is too low to do meaningful work. It touches on products that are too aggressive for regular use, and others that are too gentle to make any real difference in a dirty fuel system. A few entries deal with products that work well in specific situations, but are routinely used in the wrong context by everyday drivers. Throughout, the focus stays practical. The goal is not to dismiss these products entirely, but to give viewers a clearer picture of what each one is actually capable of, so they can make a more informed decision the next time they are standing in the automotive aisle.